They see the struggle, but they don't see the source. From the dust of the earth to the light of the throne. I don't walk alone. No, I never walk alone. Allah Akbar. Allah is great. Don't take faith from my chest. Quran by my side. Keep the devil distressed. Light in the night, life in the day. Islam my backbone. I don't drift away. Check the pulse, check the heart. Feel the fire inside. In a world full of shadows, nowhere to hide. I don't bow to the dunya, I don't follow the trend. I bow to the creator, the beginning, the end. Allah Akbar. رحمة تمس القلوب يطهر رواحنا يزيل كل الذنوب. الله أكبر. دنيا وآخرة أنا فخور بديني الإسلام فخر وهوية. God is great from east to the west. In the deen of Islam we are truly blessed. يا نفس كفي عن العصيان واختر بيه. The door is open so why hesitate to be free. باب الكريم لا يغرق لمن تاب. Mercy flows heavy for the soul that comes back. I find my honor in sujood, face in the dust. In a world full of betrayal, Allah is who I trust. Nurun ala nur, lighting my sight, guiding my steps through the depth of the night. The Quran is a miracle, timeless, divine. You can't touch the book. It transcends space and time. It trends inside faith, but they suffer inside. We walk with the haqq. Let truth be our guide. Eyes on Jannah. I'm done with the lies. Leaving the hatred, the poison disguise. توبة نصوحا ربي يقبلنا. نورك أمامنا يوم نلقاك يا ربنا. صلوا على طه خير الورى نرجو شفاعة يوم المدى. Every tear is a prayer, every heartbeat a sign, every sajda is healing for a soul out of line. الحق لله وحده لا يزول ولا ينهار. Give rooms to Allah, His light outshines the dark. I am Muslim. They may see me as an enemy, but in my heart, my Lord is with me. I don't fear the world. I don't fear the noise, because I know Allah is with me. I am proud. أنا فخور. فخور بديني. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. Allah Akbar.